We're in the Egypt. Where is in Egypt? Alexandria, Cairo. Beautiful looking. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you. But bahut cute. Okay, bye. Okay, I'm going out. Where are you from? Jeddah. Ana hina Jeddah. Salim. Akil. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi. Beautiful, cute. MashaAllah. She's closer. I could see him better. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you so much. Yes, I'm very busy. I don't reply. I'm so sorry if I didn't reply because I cannot reply all of you because too much. Okay, I don't want to restrict always to mates. Okay, they have too much. I have more followers. I cannot all replying because if I replying all, I always restrict these reels. That's why little by little and sway. Yalla. I'm so sorry I cannot give my numbers. Wallahi, I too much people, they want my numbers. They want to see me. Wallah, katir hina. Kalam, fatum, ana sub inti. Ana sub inti, ana jib adia inti. Inta, mashallah TikTok. Ana, inti, kabir TikTok. When I go to mall, sometimes I cover my eyes because sometimes Arab people, they knows me in TikTok, okay? And sometimes they knows me say inti Fatum, but I always cover my face. But nasanay po ako mag-Arabic kasi gustuin ko pa, I want to speak in Arabic, okay? Because my husband told me you should speak Arabic. But ana kalam sway Arabic, but alhamdulillah, I always kalam sway Arabic. But inshallah I will kaya ko lahat ang Arabic, inshallah. Okay, your English is very well. Thank you so much, Emias. Yes, because almost Filipino people, they know how to speak English. Okay, they spoke many languages. Me, I can't speak. What's this? Spanish, because when I was in college, I have Spanish like hola mi cómo estás, estoy bien gracias otra vez. This is Spanish words, okay? But alhamdulillah, thank you so much. I love this language of Arabic. Yeah, if you want my TikTok, you can go to my TikTok Fatum. Okay, you can see all my videos in my TikTok because in TikTok ana Sway Kabir. Okay, Sway Kabir. Almost people they loves me and almost people they hate me. Okay, you can go if you want to see my videos Katir. I have more Katir in TikTok. Okay, we love you all. Pa-shout out Subaya Sambutuan. Hello po, Subaya. Okay, I will close my